Your hard drive suddenly became raw. Now you can't open it anymore. Windows is now asking you to format the hard drive. But stop, don't click that button yet. And if you already did, don't worry, it may still be recoverable. Most people try to fix the hard drive first, but that's often a mistake. In many cases, a raw drive means the file system is damaged. But your photos, videos, files are still there. If you format the hard drive at this stage, you may overwrite your data. That's why you should always recover your files first. For this recovery process, I'm using iTolab RecoverGo Windows Data Recovery. I like it because the process is simple and it works well with raw drives and many storage drives. Now let's get started. First, connect your hard drive and launch RecoverGo. Select the hard drive and click Search for lost data. The software will start scanning. Once scanning is complete, you can filter or search for specific files. You can also preview files before recovery. Finally, select the files and click Recover. Make sure to save them to a different drive. Now that your files are safely recovered, you can try repairing the raw hard drive. For this, I'm going to use TestDisk. After downloading and launching TestDisk, we can select Create to generate a new log file. Next, choose your hard drive from the list and press Enter. Intel is the correct option for Windows formatted drives. Once selected, choose Analyze, and then run a quick search. TestDisk will scan the drive and look for lost partitions. If no valid partition is found, you can run a deeper search, which performs a more thorough scan but takes longer to complete. You would see P letter, press Enter. Click Right, press Y to confirm. Check the boot sector information. After that, the raw drive should show as healthy in disk management. And that's it. If you'd like to try RecoverGo for yourself, you'll find the download link in the description below. Thanks for watching.